Leave-in conditioning treatment for all hair textures and types, for dry, brittle, stressed and damaged hair, breakage, tangles, frizz, elasticity restoration, hair loss prevention and hair growth. Nourishes and replenishes the scalp's natural oils and strengthens, moisturizes, and structures the roots and the hair follicles to make your hair thicker, fuller, shinier and more manageable. Black Jamaican castor oil is rich in vitamin E and omega-6 fatty acids that can improve blood circulation to the scalp, which helps nutrients reach your hair and encourages hair growth. Formulated with shea butter and argan oil, two of nature's renowned hydrating agents rich in emollients and fatty acids. This leave-in conditioning treatment is paraben, silicone, sulfate, and cruelty-free, made in the USA, safe for the entire family. OK Black Jamaican Castor Oil Leave-In Deep Conditioner helps maintain control over difficult hair while eliminating frizz and repairing damaged hair. It restores moisture, shine and manageability, leaving hair soft, detangled and shiny without weighing it down. Top reviews from the United States. Great for curly hair. I got really thick curly hair and have tried a lot of things but did really works.